Alright guys, so bottom line up front, these things are pretty cool. I think that the sale price they currently have on Amazon with 20% off is not a bad price, $89.99. I think the full price that they were asking for them was a little bit much since they are just plastic, but the it seems like pretty good quality. I guess I'll find out in the long term, but definitely going to be able to provide some protection for future damage and also cover up some damage you might have gotten in the past. So they clip on really well, they look really nice, and they're definitely not going to come off your wheel. Well, I think it looks pretty good. It almost adds a different dynamic to the rim because it adds this these little notches here, but I think it makes it look good. Today I'm going to be showing you this product, which is basically to protect your rim on your Tesla, and it fits perfectly on the new Model Y, which is exactly what I have. And I've actually already had some damage on my rim, so I'll show you what that looks like as well. I wish we would have had this product sooner, because you could see here our brand new Tesla must have scraped on the side of a sidewalk or something, but you can see the damage here. That's into the black and actually shaved off some of the metal. So it's pretty easy to install. They give you the quick guide, but basically you're just gonna take some of this double-sided tape. You're just gonna spread it around this outside corner, and then when you put it on your rim, you're gonna make sure you line this up with your valve stem, and then you're simply just gonna push in. So the plastic seems pretty sturdy. It has these little clips here that just clip right into your rim. So let me start by getting some of this tape on them, and then we'll get them put on the Tesla. All right, so I got the padding on the inside, and that's just basically gonna protect the rim from getting scratched up by the plastic. But when you put these on, you're gonna find the air filling hole, and it's just gonna go right in there. So you're gonna give it a little bit of a push on each one of these. These are already clipped in. And as you can see, it's actually pretty snug in there. So, you know, while this product is new, it definitely looks good. So I'll be anxious to see. And these are on there really good. Like, this isn't going to just fling off of there. So